My name is Dr. Tanvi Davda, and as a consultant urologist and robotic surgeon in Mumbai, I am passionate about raising awareness of urological health. Today, I will take you through the essentials of urology and the most common diseases and treatments in this field. Urology is the branch of medicine that focuses on disorders of the urinary tract in both men and women, as well as the male reproductive system. The urinary tract includes essential organs like the kidneys, ureter, bladder, and the urethra. In men, urology also deals with the prostate, testes, and penis. Urological problems can affect people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. These issues often impact daily life, self-esteem, and even relationships. So it's vital to understand the symptoms that should prompt you to consult a urologist. Let's start with some of the most common urological diseases. One of the leading issues we see in clinics is kidney stone disease. Kidney stones form when minerals in urine crystallize and stick together, creating painful stones that can block the flow of urine. They cause symptoms like severe pain in the lower back, blood in the urine, nausea, and frequent urination. Sometimes stones pass on their own, but larger stones need medical intervention, either minimal invasive procedures or shock wave therapy or surgery. Another major challenge is urinary tract infections, commonly called UTIs. UTIs are infections that can affect any part of your urinary system from the kidneys down to the urethra. They are more common in women due to anatomical factors but also occur in men. Sometimes symptoms include a burning sensation while urinating, cloudy or bloody urine, pelvic pain, and frequent urges to urinate. Most UTIs are treated effectively with antibiotics, but recurrent infections need a thorough evaluation. Prostate diseases are a significant concern for men, especially as they age. The most common are benign prostatic hyperplasia, prostatitis, and prostate cancer. Benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH is the enlargement of the prostate gland leading to difficulty in urinating, frequent nighttime urination, and weak urine stream. Prostatitis is inflammation of the prostate which can cause pelvic pain and urination problems. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, with early detection and dramatically improving outcomes. Regular checkups are crucial for early diagnosis of prostate issues. For many patients, especially women and older adults, urinary incontinence is a distressing and widespread problem. Urinary incontinence refers to the involuntary loss of bladder control leading to accidental leakage of urine. There are different types of incontinence, like stress urinary incontinence, urge incontinence, overflow, and mixed types. Causes can include childbirth, aging, hormonal changes, or neurological conditions. Treatments range from pelvic floor exercises and medications, surgical interventions, and even diet control like vegan diet. Bladder cancer is another serious urological issue. This cancer often presents as blood in the urine or painful urination. Early stage bladder cancer can often be treated with surgery and immunotherapy. Advanced cases may require more extensive treatment. Risk factors include age, smoking, exposure to chemicals, and chronic infections. Keeping a healthy lifestyle is key in prevention. Other conditions under urology's domain include male infertility, sexual dysfunction, pediatric urological issues, and congenital abnormalities. It's also important to remember that children can experience urological problems too, like urinary tract infections or congenital abnormalities. Urology bridges several medical fields, often requiring teamwork with nephrologists, oncologists, gynecologists, and pediatricians. Timely diagnosis and holistic management improve patient outcomes dramatically. Now let's talk about how we diagnose these conditions. Diagnosis includes detailed medical history, physical exams, lab tests, and advanced imaging like USG and CT scans. We may also use endoscopic procedures to look inside the urinary tract and take tissue samples if needed. Treatment depends on the disease but can include medications, lifestyle modifications, minimally invasive surgery, or major reconstructive procedures including robotic surgery. Over the years, robotic and laparoscopic surgeries have improved patient recovery and outcomes. Many procedures are now daycare or short stay, reducing hospital time and getting you back to your life sooner. Preventive care is a strong pillar in urology. Drinking enough water, maintaining hygiene, regular checkups, and a healthy vegan diet all help to keep your urinary system functioning well. For stone disease, Reducing salt, avoiding excessive animal protein, and staying hydrated are vital preventive steps. Avoiding tobacco and occupational exposure to chemicals lowers the risk of bladder cancer. If you notice changes in urination, blood in urine, persistent pelvic pain, or swelling, don't ignore these symptoms. Early consultation enables timely intervention and prevents complications. Finally, urology is not just about treating diseases, it's about restoring quality of life, dignity, and confidence. Open communication is essential. Never feel shy or embarrassed about discussing urinary or sexual health concerns. As a urologist, my focus is on combining advanced technology with personalized, compassionate care. I strive to educate my patients, answer questions, and involve them in decision making at every stage. Every patient is unique and their care should be reflected in their hopes, fears, and goals. Thank you all for allowing me to shed light on this vital branch of medicine. Remember, urological health is critical. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Stay healthy, stay proactive, and destigmatize discussions around urinary and reproductive health. If you have questions or concerns regarding urological conditions, feel free to approach me. Thank you.